To label up the unit circle, I'm going to start out by only doing the coordinates in this video. And I'm going to start labeling these in red. So for the first quadrant, here in red, here in red, and here in red. Okay, the first one is going to be root 3 over 2, comma 1/2. Okay, once you have that one memorized, to skip over the middle one and go to the top, all you need to do is interchange them. So 1/2, comma root 3 over 2. And then the one in the middle is root 2 over 2, comma root 2 over 2. And once you have those three memorized, you just reflect them to the other quadrants. So I'm going to switch to blue here. So say for this one, and then I'm doing blue and I reflect it over, instead of going right 1/2, I'm going to go left 1/2, so negative. And then instead of going right root 2 over 2, I'm going to go left root 2 over 2. But I'm still going up, so the y value is still positive. And then reflect this one over. So negative root 3 over 2, comma 1/2. Okay, now I'm going to switch back to red, and now I can just reflect these all downward, which means now the y value will be negative in quadrant 3. So this one will be negative root 3 over 2, negative 1/2. Reflect this down, so negative root 2 over 2, because I'm going left, and I'm going to go down, so negative root 2 over 2 again. Reflect down, so negative 1/2. Let's see, negative root 3 over 2. Okay, and now I'm going to go back to reflecting the first quadrant. It just works better in my mind. And say I take this one and come down. So I'm still going to the right root 3 over 2, so it's positive, but I'm going to go down a 1/2, so negative. Come down. So root 2 over 2, negative root 2 over 2. And this one is 1/2 and negative root 3 over 2. Okay, so just to make sure, up here in the first quadrant, they should both be positive, and they are. When I go left into the second quadrant, so I need to be negative but positive. When I come down, they should all be negative. And when I come down from the first quadrant, only the y value should be negative. Okay? So those are the ones you really memorize. The first one, first quadrant, and the other three quadrants follow by reflecting. And then you just need 4 more coordinates right on the axes. And let's see, let me do this in black. Alright, so this one right here is just going to be 1, 0, so because I went to the right one. Or you can go to the left one. Or don't go right or left at all. Right or left at all. Just go up 1, so 0, 1. Or down 1. Okay, so there are all the coordinates for the unit circle.